Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michaela and I love all things beauty and fashion. My goal for 2018 was to start making these videos and uploading them so that I can share that love with anyone else who also wants to either learn about makeup and fashion or already has a knowledge of it and just wants to see more videos. It was really scary to start, but I'm doing it. So I hope you guys like it. Go easy on me. Today's look and my first ever look for YouTube is going to be just a normal everyday look. It has a little bit of shine in it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the Becca First Light Priming Filter. It's going to be kind of a purpley shade going on. It's really nice. It gives it like your foundation a nice radiant glow. And then all over your face. It smells really nice too. So next I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Dream Cushion Foundation. I'm in the shade 30. It's a really nice everyday foundation. It lasts all day for me, whether I'm going to work or going out on the weekends. I'm gonna use my Tarte foundation brush. This brush is amazing and I definitely recommend it. It's really nice because it's huge and it takes like the shortest amount of time to get the foundation on your face. And it makes you look great. So you're just gonna blend that all over your face. You're just gonna dab that in like that. That's what I use. It comes with a little sponge too, which is nice. I've used that too, but I love this brush. Next, I'm gonna also go in with another Maybelline product. It's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This one is in shade 10 Light. I think I can go darker, but they didn't have many options at the store when I was there. I also use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, which is my favorite, but the one I have right now is a little bit too dark for me, and it looked like they might be coming out with something huge with Shape Tape, so I'm waiting to get a shade that fits me. And you're just gonna blend that out with a beauty blender or a concealer brush. Whatever you have is fine. I like the beauty blender a lot. And this concealer is just so nice because it really brightens up your eyes, I've noticed. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte. It's the Filtered Light Setting Powder. Comes like that. And I just put a little bit on here, like that. Because mostly I'm just using it for wherever I put my concealer. So you're just gonna blend it around like that, tap off the excess. And then right where I did the concealer to set that. Next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of contour. Not too much contour because this is just an everyday look, but just to add a little bit of warmth to my face. I'm using the e.l.f. contour palette, and you're going to tell that I use this a lot because it's almost gone. So I'm using this dark shade right here. So I'm just gonna get my kabuki brush. I think this is from Bare Minerals. It's the Handy Buki brush. And I'm just gonna go in with this color. And first I'm gonna start with right underneath my cheekbone, just to kind of lift that up a little bit, if you can see this side compared to this side. And then you're gonna blend that in, obviously. You don't want just lines on your face. For this look, you kind of just want it very nice and soft, just to kind of give you a little bit of a sun-kissed glow. A little bit on the forehead. And then I'm gonna also go in around the jawline. Don't forget a little bit on your ears. And I kind of bring that down just a little bit, but not too much. See? Nice little glow. Sometimes, not all the time, I'll go in with just a little brush like this, and I'll go in with a bronzer, and I'll add in right here for a little tiny nose contour, not too harsh, but that's if I'm feeling it. And all of the makeup that I'm doing today is kind of just if I'm feeling it. This is like when I have my most amount of time to get ready in the morning, if I just want to do like a simple day look. But honestly, when I have the days where I go to work, I'm really tired in the morning and it's hard to get up, so I just do my foundation, some powder, and then mascara with a little bit of blush. But obviously we're going a little more than that today. I'm gonna move on to the eyes and then come back to the face later. I'm gonna go in with my Tartelette and Bloom by Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette. I don't know what it is, but it has every color that I need ever in it, so I take this everywhere I go. Obviously I use it a lot. The saddest part is when I bought this, it dropped and it broke this color here. It's like a really shiny color. Oh, so it was really sad. But anyways, I'm just gonna go in with, this is a base shadow brush. It's from Real Techniques. And I'm gonna go in with the color Smarty Pants right here. And we're just gonna go in, and this is gonna go into the crease right here. And you're just gonna blend that until it's like really soft. Go in with this eye. Next, I'm gonna go in and mix Charmer and Flower Child, and this is gonna go right beneath my brow bone to kind of, it'll brighten up the eye, and then it'll also make this line a little bit less harsher. So we're gonna go in there. Next, what I like to do is to add a little wing, because wings are my favorite. This is by far the best liquid eyeliner I have ever tried in my entire life. It is by Clinique. I don't know if you can see that. And it is their pretty easy liquid eyelining pen. Stays on all day. It's like the easiest tool to use, and it lasts forever. I think I bought, this is my second one, but I think I bought my first one at the beginning of 2017, and I just got this new one. So it's pretty amazing how long it lasts. So I'm just gonna go in with a really thin line on the lid. And then for my wing, we get a little bit closer. I like to start from where the wing's gonna stop. I do my eyeliner kind of differently every single time, so whatever works for you. But I start right here, and I'm gonna bring it in. I don't wanna talk while I do it. Yay. And that is my wing. And then I'm just gonna go in and do it on the other side. Next, I'm gonna go in with my mascara primer. It's Maybelline's the Colossal Big Shot Tinted Primer. It's really cool because it's not a white primer, it's black. So you don't have to worry about, you know, covering up all the white when you go in with your mascara, which is really nice, and it's just incredible how it makes my mascara look. So I'm just gonna go in with that. A light coat for the top and a little bit for the bottom too. And I don't know about you guys, but I like my eyelashes like really thick and really big. Like, to me, what's the point of putting mascara on if it's not gonna be like really noticeable? So I go in with a lot of mascara. So that's just the primer and what that did. I'll do one eye first just so you can see what the primer and the mascara look like. So I'm gonna go in with my mascara. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Feline. Looks like that. This one's been all right for now. I really like the Lancome Monsieur Big. That one is amazing, but this one's been really good so far too. I switch through mascaras like constantly, so I'm always trying new ones. Yay! Look at that. Without, with. I think we can say that it is good with. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in and do my other eye right now. Alright, now that the eyes are finished, I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. I'm gonna go in with, just have a mini of it, which this stuff is amazing, but it's the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. It's in the shade Thrilled. This is just a mini version, and I got this, I think at the beginning of summer, and I can still see some of the imprints of like when I first got it. So this stuff lasts. I don't know about you guys, but I love Tarte. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna brush that on there. This brush is really, really nice. I just got this last week, and I've noticed such a big difference with the way it puts on my blush and just how soft and creamy it looks. This is the Real Techniques blush brush. Looks like that. It's awesome. So I recommend that too. And it's soft. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It's the metallic highlighter that they just came out with. I've been wanting to try this and I finally bought it, and oh my gosh, it is amazing. Look at that. Like, come on. So we're just gonna go in. I'm going in with the e.l.f. highlighting brush. Looks like that. We're just gonna take some of that on our brush and we're gonna put it right up here just to give a nice glow. Look at that shine. Oh my gosh. And then we'll put a little bit right here and maybe some right there. Go crazy. If you want to glow, bring it. I love it. Look at that. I'm in love. I mean, how could you not love that? I feel like a glowing goddess. Okay, so finishing my face off, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Looks like that. And I'm just gonna... It's not the best smelling stuff. It kind of smells like, I don't know if you guys drank these as a kid, but those, the juice, the barrel drinks, the like plastic, it looked like a rum barrel or something like that. It kind of smells like that. So to finish off this look, I'm just gonna go in with a little lipstick. This is the Maybelline Matte Lipstick. It's in the color Sensational. It's called Clay Crush. It's in this little case, and that color, it's like a nice nude. It's funny because I was actually looking at interviews with Adriana Lima, the Victoria's Secret model, and this is one of the colors that she recommended, and I bought it. and I love it and I use it all the time. So if you want to be a Victoria's Secret supermodel, buy this. You'll feel like it. I'm just gonna go in. Nice, right? Okay, so this is the finished look. It's just really simple, not too many products used. You can wear it, you know, at work, going grocery shopping. I wore it to a birthday dinner last night. Kind of works for any event that you want to go to. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.